Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create Grammarly affiliate account. So firstly visit grammarly.com/affiliates. So you will see this page. Here click on become an affiliate. You have to follow these 4 steps. Give your account details, user details, additional questions and user agreement. Enter your website name, now here select I understand, then next check this both box, then sign up. Now guys, you will see your application is currently being reviewed. An account manager will contact you shortly. So wait for approval. So this is the way guys you can create Grammarly affiliate account. Thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.